Hello MJ Squad, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell to all so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So as you saw from the title and also from the thumbnail, today I'm going to show you how you can create this hairstyle. I know if you follow me on my Instagram, you have seen this hairstyle a couple of times on my story. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, kindly go ahead and follow me. My Instagram handle is this is my Instagram handle. So go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. Anyway, on today's video, I'm just simply going to show you this simple look. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, kindly hit on that like button. It actually supports me so much. And without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Hello my people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm starting off by oiling my scalp, and I'm just using this vertical hair oil and just like oiling my scalp and then massaging it on my just massaging it. And then now I'm going to proceed to starting the whole tutorial that you came here for. So now I'm just going to take this lock and twist gel. This gel smells good and does what it says it does. It holds your hair properly, and you look like it leaves your hair looking shiny and like in place for so many hours. And if you want your gel to work in the right way, use a little bit of water and then you just apply your gel. So that's what I did, and I just tied my hair here halfway as you can see, and then I attempted to lay my edges off camera because I didn't want this video to be long and I didn't want to take much of your time. So guys, I just tied this headscarf. I didn't find my certain headscarf, so if you have a certain headscarf, that's the right scarf to tie it so that your gel can do its thing as it dries without wasting any of the products. And now what I'm just basically doing is just rolling it and then just pin it down. If you want, you can slow down this video and you see, but I have a slow motion at the end, me explaining on how to achieve the back look when I get at the front. So watch the whole video so that you don't miss this. And guys, this hairstyle, you can go with it at school, at work. If you want to go, if you are going for a brunch, you can wear this anywhere. And if you want a simple bridal look, like a simple natural hair bridal look, you can go for this hairstyle. But you're going to obviously put some little to clips that will look more bridal in a way. So anyway guys, so what just basically, let me return to the tutorial. So basically what I'm doing is just rolling my hair, and I'm kind of trying to finger detangle, and then I'm starting rolling it, as you can see. And then I take my bobby pin and then I pin it down under the band so that you don't see the pin. If you're going to see at the end of the video, you're going to see how my back looks, and you're not going to see any of the bobby pins. If you see, maybe it's just a little bit, but if you do it right, you're not supposed to see any bobby pin. So now, if you have not subscribed, guys, kindly do so. Hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, so now let me just let you enjoy this video, and now I'm just going to explain the whole process in just a few seconds. So enjoy this video, and now let me just leave you and enjoy the video. Yeah guys, and subscribe again. Simply is just, let me just explain. I'm planning to do this as a voiceover, so you section a piece of hair, you make sure it's detangled. Mine was really like pre-section because this style I'm redoing this video. But anywho's, you need a pin, and how I'm inserting my pin is like this. When it's like spread out like so, you take a section of hair and the rest you put aside. And then what you want to do, what I'm just basically doing, is just rolling my hair so that it can form that caban look. And then I'm taking my bobby pin and then I'm inserting. I don't know if you can see, but I hope you do. insert, and that's how you just basically, you can't see what it's holding my hair down, so in place, so that's basically what I'm just doing. So let me finish the rest of my hair and then I will be back to show you like everything. Well, yeah, so now I'm done. Like it's been a couple of minutes and my gel hasn't completely dried. It's like okay, I can, like, you know, I can head out like so. And yeah, you can see over here it's not completely dry, and the white, like the whitish has just disappeared to clear. As you can see, it's good. It actually like dries to clear, doesn't leave like white things. That's one thing that I love. If you haven't tried this like lock and twist this gel from Vertica, you can go ahead and try it. It's really amazing, and I think the end result is pretty good. And if you think this hairstyle looks so good, please subscribe if you haven't, and also like this video. And now I'm going to show you how you can like make this hairstyle to look a little bit, you know, more better. So the first thing is this cut thing over here. I don't know what to call this. You can just place it over here. You can purchase maybe another color, not just black one. So this is the first one, and you know, you just rock it like so, and it actually hides the, you know, the hair tie that we had. So this is the first one. So the second one, I'm going to use this if you're going for a baby shower or you're going for a photo shoot. It just depends with your vibe. And I have like 2 bobby pins on this side. This is a little bit tight for me, and if I just like put it around my this caban, this puff, let me just call it a puff, I'm going to have headache, and I don't want that. So just place it, and then this is where I'm going to insert the bobby pin, and then this other side. And you can see like it just makes everything like wow. Yeah, it just makes everything looking so good. So this is like the second way you can like make this look oh, okay, you can make just this hairstyle look a little bit more amazing. And I think it's actually one of my favorite. So if you're going for like a shoot or something, you can just do this, and you can see no one will know how you have, you know, you have inserted the bobby pins. So I'm going to show you the second method. The second, it's similar to this one. So the third, you can use like this cut chain. I bought this chain, you can actually find this chain on your cosmetic shop near you. I think it was Dirty Bob, but it had like an elastic, like a hairband, but it's not long lasting. So if you're purchasing, know that. So I'm just doing like I did like the second one, and then just inserting the bobby pins so that no one will know. Okay, I've inserted badly, and that. So this is like the fourth way you can, like, you know, spice up your puff. And this is one of like my favorite also. This is actually a simple one to this one. And also you can, like, you know, place them together if you want, or if you think it's too much, you can just leave this alone and you can rock it like so. So that's the other. Let me just show you now, last but not least, the fifth way you can, like, you know, spice your hairstyle. So guys, this is actually the fifth hairstyle. So this is how it looks. This is just a scarf that I've just tied around the band, and yeah. So out of those five hairstyle, please comment, not hairstyle, out of those, like, head size that I've just shown you, comment down below which one is your favorite. I really love to hear from you. So yeah, this is just the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, kindly hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't, and also the notification bell to all, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So till next time, bye bye, I love you all.